The term liquidity is defined as the ability to buy or sell assets on the market without radically changing the price of an asset. Liquidity can refer to both the market and the asset. A liquid market is a market in which there are always investors who are willing to trade. The liquidity of an asset means its conversion into other assets or cash. Good trading in any asset, including crypto assets, requires high trading activity, and bid and ask prices should not differ much. In order to determine whether the market is liquid, you need to pay attention to important indicators: trading volume in 24 hours, the volume of the list of orders and the amount, difference in buy-sell prices. Liquidity is very important in the execution of transactions and is one of the main factors for entering or exiting the market.